Experiencing a blank screen on your Tesla Model S? You're not alone. Many owners of 2012 to 2021 models face this frustrating problem where the central touchscreen fails to power on or display anything. This issue appears as a completely blank or non-responsive display, preventing access to the vehicle's main interface. The central touchscreen is the heart of the Tesla Model S control system, particularly common in Tesla Model S vehicles from 2012 through 2021. This blank screen can stem from various causes, including power supply issues, software glitches, or hardware failures. When the screen goes blank, it disrupts essential vehicle operations. Navigation systems become unavailable, making it difficult to plan routes or access maps. Climate control settings can't be adjusted, drive modes like autopilot may not function properly, and entertainment features are inaccessible. This can make driving frustrating and potentially unsafe. Sometimes the screen shows error messages before going blank, like alerts about degraded storage devices or system failures. These warnings indicate underlying issues that need attention. Fortunately, many of these issues can be diagnosed and fixed. In the following sections, we'll explore the key culprits and provide step-by-step solutions to get your Tesla Model S screen working again. A blank screen on a Tesla Model S typically arises from one of three main areas: power supply issues, software glitches, or hardware failures. Let's explore each of these culprits and how they can cause the problem. First, power supply issues mean the screen isn't getting the electricity it needs. The Tesla Model S screen draws power from the 12-volt auxiliary battery or the high-voltage system. Problems like blown fuses, particularly the 40A fuse for the media control unit, or low battery voltage, can interrupt this power flow, resulting in a blank display. Second, software glitches involve corrupted firmware or incomplete updates, freezing the screen. Tesla runs on a Linux-based operating system, and issues can arise from updates that are interrupted by power loss or other disruptions, leading to system freezes. Third, hardware failures involve physical damage to components like the screen, connectors, or the media control unit itself. In older Model S vehicles from 2012 to 2016, problems with backlight failures, ribbon cables, or corroded connectors are particularly common and can lead to display issues. Before getting technical, try these simple steps. First, ensure the car is safely parked. Then perform a power cycle. Turn off the car, hold the brake pedal, and press both scroll wheels or buttons on the steering wheel for about 10 seconds to force a reboot. Next, inspect the fuses. The MCU typically uses a 40-watt fuse located in the fuse box under the hood. Use a multimeter to check if it's blown. If a power cycle doesn't resolve the blank screen issue, try a software reset using the Tesla mobile app, which features AI-driven diagnostics. Open the Tesla mobile app on your smartphone. The app now includes AI-driven diagnostics that can detect screen issues remotely. The app may automatically prompt you to reset the media control unit, or MCU, which controls the touchscreen. This remote reset has a high success rate for software-related issues. Alternatively, if the app reset doesn't work, enter diagnostic mode directly from the vehicle. While turning on the car, press both scroll buttons on the steering wheel simultaneously. This enters diagnostic mode, where you can perform advanced resets. In diagnostic mode, follow the reset sequence from power on through startup code to the main application. This provides access to more advanced media control unit reset options that can resolve persistent software glitches. For more technically inclined users, you can connect a laptop to the Tesla via USB to access system logs. This requires third-party tools like TeslaMate. Analyzing these logs can pinpoint the exact software or hardware component causing the issue. However, proceed with caution, as this may void your warranty. Many Tesla Model S owners have successfully fixed blank screens with simple DIY repairs. Always disconnect the vehicle's power first to avoid electrical hazards. One common fix is replacing a blown MCU fuse. This is quick and inexpensive, often shown in YouTube tutorials. Start by locating the fuse box under the hood and identifying the 40A MCU fuse. Replace it with an identical fuse to restore power to the screen. Another effective repair involves reseating the screen's ribbon cable. Carefully disassemble part of the dashboard to access the connector. Gently unplug and replug the ribbon cable to ensure a secure connection. Then reassemble the dashboard components. Be careful when attempting these fixes, as improper handling can cause further damage to the vehicle. If you're not comfortable with DIY repairs, consult a professional. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, or if you're not comfortable with DIY repairs, it's time to consult a professional. Tesla service centers often charge $500 to $1,000 for diagnostics. However, keep in mind that repairs like replacing the MCU screen can be expensive, over $1,500. For older models, independent EV repair shops are also a good option. Looking ahead, Tesla is increasingly focusing on software-centric solutions, with over-the-air updates effectively resolving many screen issues in the Model S. However, as the Model S continues to age, hardware obsolescence presents growing challenges. Replacement parts may become increasingly difficult to source, and official Tesla support for these older models is likely to diminish over time. These factors should be carefully considered when deciding whether to invest in repairs or explore trading in for a newer Tesla model. Most importantly, maintaining regular firmware updates through your Tesla app or vehicle interface is essential for preventing many software-related screen problems. By staying current with updates, you can help ensure your Model S remains reliable and minimize the risk of screen issues caused by outdated software.